So Varun, as I can see, this is your beautiful Bullet, and this is the channel name of Varun's YouTube channel. What has happened to my English? This is Varun's YouTube channel. Okay, and as you can see, so it looks beautiful and it's very comfortable. I've done some miles on this bike. So yeah, Varun, firstly tell me which model is this?
So this is Bullet Electra 350, which is also called as Bullet ES 350. Bullet ES 350.
Right.
And this is BS6 model. As you can see, the catalytic converter here.
Yeah.
So which is the trademark of BS6 model.
This one, yeah.
And in the stock condition, it was completely different bike.
Right.
And I have changed multiple things on it. So first and foremost, I have changed this tire. So the stock tire comes of the same size which is in the front. So
Right.
I have changed the size to 110 90.19, which is MRF Meteor Mo Grip. This gives a good grip on road. Not that much amount, but as compared to the stock one.
So are you experiencing any performance, better performance than the stock tires with this?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. Okay.
While riding, I like to sometimes
Lean a lot.
Lean a lot, you can say. Ghats are my favorite spot.
Yeah.
So I like to lean a lot, and this tire gives a real confidence on that.
Okay. Okay. And what is the second thing?
Second thing I changed, that was for the sound, which is silencer.
Okay.
So this is Indori silencer, and not too loud, not too bassy.
Okay.
A normal thumb raiser, you can say, to
Okay.
feel the bullet.
Okay.
Third thing I changed was handle. So
the
this
handlebar.
is RD350 handle, which is while you are riding, you get a good comfort and good posture while riding. Then
So the model name is RD350, right?
yeah, RD350.
Okay.
And next,
But what is the experience of riding with these handlebars in traffic conditions?
it is very good.
It's good?
You get a good amount of space
So-
to turn and a good confidence while turning.
Okay, but does it increase your turning radius by any means?
No, I didn't feel that yet.
No?
No.
Okay.
It gives you on stock. I was feeling bit harsh while in traffic.
Okay.
But while using this handle, it's like piece of cake. Even if we are in a very hard traffic, like on Fountain, if we are stuck,
Right,
you
right.
can literally cross. Jab zoop, niklo bus.
Okay.
So you get a good confidence on this handle.
Right.
The third thing which I changed, like we are rider, like अपना riding ज़्यादा लंबा भी है.
Right.
So I changed to bucket seat. This I
Right.
did from Thane only, and I changed both of this. So this gives a lot of comfort. हाँ थोड़ा seat height बढ़ जाता है, but yeah still good comfort, good everything. You don't have to worry on anything. You can cover a lot of long kilometers on it. Then,
So these are normal foam seats or you've put gel in them?
so it's normal foam seat.
Normal foam seats. So they've just contoured it according to your...
According to my needs.
Yeah.
And after that, I wanted. So Bullet has a vibration issue. The major.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
Drawback
ये तो किसी को
of
पता ही नहीं था.
So vibration issue BS6 में थोड़ा कम हो गया as compared to carburetor one. But while revving above.
You mean in the
100,
FI version it's less than the carburetor
Yeah.
one? Yeah.
So अगर above 100-110 अगर जाते तो मिरर्स बहुत वाइब्रेट होते थे.
Right.
एंड पीछे 4 व्हीलर आ रहे 2 व्हीलर आ रहे कुछ नहीं दिखता था.
Right.
खाली लाइट दिखती थी कि हाँ
Right.
कुछ आ तो रहा है.
Right.
तो दैट वाज मेकिंग अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट वाइल राइडिंग कि क्यों समझ में नहीं आता. इफ अगर 4 व्हीलर है तो हाउ टू टेक अ टर्न वी कैन टेक दैट वे.
Right.
या 2 व्हीलर है तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग लेन क्रॉसिंग करते हैं. बट उसमें समझता ही नहीं था. तो बाद में वो स्पीड स्लो करो या एक हाथ से मिरर पकड़ के देखो तब पता चलेगा. तो बहुत रिस्की हो जाता था थोड़े.
Things you have to do if you are a Bullet owner.
Yeah, that things you have to do. So I changed it to Avenger 220 Bajaj Avenger के mirrors
Oh, nice.
आफ्टर मार्केट. एंड इसमें भी वाइब्रेशंस आते हैं, नो डाउट वाइब्रेशंस नहीं आते ऐसा नहीं है. बट एटलीस्ट यू कैन फिगर आउट एट व्हाट डिस्टेंस व्हाट इट इज. 4 व्हीलर 2 व्हीलर ट्रक क्या आ रहा है.
बट बुलेट का जो स्टॉक मिरर्स था उससे बेटर हुआ ये
उससे बहुत बेटर.
Okay.
80% वाइब्रेशन रिड्यूस हो गया.
ओके. what is the next thing? I can see these aux lights here. They are very eye catchy.
Yeah, so
Tell me about them.
So this is Super company's aux light, which is China made, and these I got for a very less rate from Grant Road. Even you can buy it from there.
Okay.
With fitting, I got it for around 1600, 1.6 or 1.7k.
Oh, that's very effective.
And the throw is also good in night.
I've seen the throw of Varun's these aux lights, and they are very good. So what I usually do is I ride my bike between Varun's bike and Partha's bike. So I stay in between when we are doing night rides, and by doing that I am always safe.
So and उसके बाद मैंने इसमें अंदर LED लाइट भी लगाया HJG का.
Okay.
So
In the stock headlights also you've changed the bulb to LED.
Yeah, because stock headlight का focus is very good, no
Right.
doubt. Halogen का बुलेट का जो focus है वो बहुत बेस्ट है. बट कब है कि जब तुम रात को अकेले चल रहे हो.
Okay.
जब तुम रात को अकेले चल रहे रहोगे या गली गुली में रहोगे तो हाँ फोकस बहुत सही है.
बराबर.
पर अगर हाईवे पे निकले तो रास्ते में क्या आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा है वो तुमको दिखेगा ही नहीं.
Right.
सो दैट वाज अ मेजर ड्रॉबैक इशू. तो इसके लिए मैंने वो भी चेंज करवा लिया था.
Right.
फिर LED लगाने के वजह से बैटरी पे इफेक्ट ना पड़े तो आई हैव पुट अनदर स्विच हियर
Right.
जिससे AHO बंद हो जाता है. आई कैन कंट्रोल दैट. मैं दिन में मेरा हेडलाइट चालू नहीं रहता, जस्ट जब मेरे को चाहिए तब मैं चालू करता.
Right.
एंड
Great. So what I can see so far is Varun ने कुछ भी सिर्फ cosmetic change नहीं किया है. Apart from you can if I had to say I'll say the silencer, which is only for thumb you're saying,
Yeah,
right?
for
So it doesn't change. Yeah, for your like satisfaction.
या
So rest everything from what I can see are very practical changes that you'll need in your day-to-day usage. And Varun, what are these mounts?
सो दिस इज फॉर मोबाइल माउंट. व्हाइल ट्रैवलिंग वी नीड टू चेक ऑन मैप्स एंड
Yeah. So are they of any brand or where
no,
did
no,
you buy
it's
this
just an
from?
Amazon thing. I bought it from Amazon.
You bought it from Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much did it cost you?
This costed me around 360, 370.
Oh, that's very cheap. And how are they performing?
Good. Still phone vibrates just because of the bike.
Oh, that is because of the bike, yeah.
Yeah, that is fine. Like it
But
holds
is
a
it
phone.
sturdy enough? And
Yeah, it holds a phone.
have you
properly.
ever had any accidents with the mount?
No.
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 Great.
So the only drawback of these mounts are from here it gets break. Like this is my second mount, and from here it gets cut off. Like due to this visor and everything.
Right.
So I am going to change it to what Pritesh has, which is very steady and उसका grip अलग है, तो वो कभी
Right.
break नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. Right.
So yeah, I'm planning to do that in near future.
Right.
And I also did this backrest.
Yeah,
Which was needed.
I like this backrest a lot. So this is very cushiony, and on bikes like these, I think this is a very practical
It's
feature.
completely sofa now.
Yes.
जो पीछे बैठा उसके लिए it's like भाई सो जाओ.
Right.
कुछ टेंशन नहीं.
Right.
And as bullet is heavy, you can control also. It depends on you how you ride.
Right.
That's pretty much you need to learn.
Right. So that was a good insight on Varun's bike. And Varun, what have you named your bike?
I named her Sweetie.
Oh, Varun's bike, Sweetie. It doesn't match the personality of the bike. It's like naming Khali Sweetie. So thank you so much, Varun, for giving us this insight on what new bullet owners can do with their bikes. Like this is a good starters pack that you can, once you buy the bike, these are the things that you can go for. And Varun has given you information of where you can buy these things from. And his reviews on the things are very good. Apart from the mobile mount that you could see, everything
The mobile
else.
mount is like it's cheap.
Yes.
And if
So
you
for the
don't want to
price it
invest
is for the price it is doing good, but you want a
like
better performing
every
mobile.
2 to 3 months, if you are ready to spend $300, then it's fine. And while I bought that, I didn't had that much amount of money to spend because I was spending on rest of the things
Right.
which were more needed.
Right.
So mobile was my secondary because I have the tank bag.
Right.
While I'm riding, I can put my phone in and I can watch the maps.
Right.
So that was not an issue. So for the safety side, I have kept that
Right.
because उसमें charging भी हो जाता है. तो उसके लिए मैंने बोल दिया 350 रुपीज में इट्स गुड वर्दी थिंग. भाई 2-3 महीने में चेंज करना है कर लो, नहीं करना है अगर जिसका टिक गया बिकॉज इसके पहले का मटेरियल थोड़ा अलग था
Right.
एंड ये वाला जो मैंने अभी मंगाया ना तो आई एम थिंकिंग ये एटलीस्ट 6-7 महीना चलेगा
Okay.
क्योंकि मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है.
Right. But so if I have to suggest anything about the mobile mouse, which we'll do a proper video in the future sometime. It's not a topic, everyone has done a video on it. So if I have to give a small tip about the mobile mouse, I'll say one thing. Don't go for the plasticky mobile mouse. Always opt for a metal or aluminium mobile mouse. So what happens is, firstly, it soaks in all the vibrations that come in while riding. Secondly, they are more sturdy than the plastic ones. So like in the long run, they'll serve you better, and you're putting your phones on it, which are like 30k, 40k, even 15k for that matter. So 15,000 की चीज़ को बचाने के लिए I think अगर आप 800, 900, 1000 का भी खर्चा करो, so it's a good investment, no?
सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज सेड इज फोन्स आर फोन्स, भले वो 2000 का भी हो, अगर कहीं अटक गए तो भाई फोन ही तुमको बचाने वाला
Exactly. Rides पे
है. हमला के साथ बहुत हुआ है.
ride पे nothing is more important than Google Mata. Okay, so thank you so much, Varun.
थैंक्स.
BGB Vlogs, thank you so much for giving us the insight on your bullet. And
So even you can check on my channel. I have made a detailed, not this part I have created yet कि मैंने और भी आगे मॉडिफिकेशन क्या किया है.
right.
बट मैंने टायर और साइलेंसर्स के ऊपर एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो भी बनाया है. एंड क्यों किसी को बुलेट लेना चाहिए and क्यों नहीं लेना चाहिए. सो आई हैव जॉटेड डाउन 5 plus and 5 minus points of it also. So you can watch it out there.
So I'll post the link of Varun's channel in the description. Guys, please go and support Varun. He's really keen on showing his point of view. So please go and support his channel, and I'll post the link in the description. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ritesh.
Rohit. So you have to go and watch out his videos. So Rohit, what is your channel's name?
My channel name is Live to Ride Rohit.
Left to Right, and I have watched some of his videos. They are very well shot. He has been to so many beautiful locations, and the way he captures his locations are much like what I try to do. So I'm learning from the
Master.
masters here. And we also have one more YouTuber here with us. Varun, what is your channel name?
My channel's name is VGB Vlogs.
I don't care.